Welcome to ArrayNext. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to add a breadcrumb in Shopify DOM theme or any other free theme or any other themes. So let me show you first that how it works. That for example, this is a product page. So here the breadcrumb is working here. You can also customize the font size, colors, etc. So this is a collection page and it's working. This is a blog page and it's working well also here. Then this is a tag page, and here you can see also the breadcrumb works. The contact page, the privacy policy page, and let's see, this is a blog post page. Here it also works, and this is the customization option where you can change the font size, text color, last item color, background, and schema also. So what is schema? Let me show you that this is the schema markup of the breadcrumb generated from the code automatically. If you search on the Google, you can definitely understand schema markup how much important for search engine. So you can help to understand the content appear on the search result, make your search result appealing and informative to the user, and it's beneficial for the business also. So schema markup is very important for a website. To add the breadcrumb section, go to the Shopify admin dashboard, then click the online store, and from here go to the themes, and which theme you want to add the breadcrumb section, click the three dot menu and edit code in a new tab. So perfect. So then call off the template, then open this section folder, then click this add a new section, then you should write breadcrumbs, or you can write any text of here, then click save. Okay, perfect. Then remove these codes, then copy the code. I already added the code in the description of this video. Just download it and paste it here. Perfect. Then save it. Saved. Now the section has been added in the theme. So now go to the customize option and open this in a new tab, and from here you can our breadcrumb section you can add in individual pages, or you can use this breadcrumb in all pages in a single click. So at first I'm going to show you that how to add this breadcrumb and individual pages. For example, you want to add this breadcrumb in blog post only. So I'm opening this blog post from here like this way. Then from here click add section, search bread. You can find the breadcrumb nav here from here. Perfect. So breadcrumb nav added here, but you need to move this here so the breadcrumbs looks like here. Now I'm going to the front page. Perfect. So if I click on other pages, you can see there is no breadcrumb of this, right? So now if I go to the blog page, so we only added the blog post. So yes, so the breadcrumb is showing here perfectly. So now you want to add the breadcrumb in all pages, right? So for that, for example, we are removing from it. That's okay. Otherwise it will be duplicated. So now instead of add this in that template section, I mean the body part, you just need to add the section in the header part. So go here, search breadcrumb. Perfect. So I'm adding here. Now done. So when we add something in the header part, it will be distributed in overall all the themes, right? So now go back to contact page, vegetables, any products, privacy policy. Perfect. Everything works as our expectation, and it also works with schema validator markup. For example, validator, I'm opening this code snippet, and you see the breadcrumb generated automatically. So this is the charm of this code. So if our code facilitates to customization on the breadcrumb, so just do this, click on the breadcrumb. Now you have some few options here. Font size, so if you increase the size of the font, so it will increase the size of these fonts. The text color, for example, I'm choosing this color as the text color, so this and this color has been changed. Now I'm changing this color, this one, so here that means this color has been changed. Now the background color, that means basically if you want to change the background of this, for example, so the background color has been changed. And the enable schema, basically here through the validator schema we get this data. So if you want to turn off for any reason, so you can just uncheck it and click save it. So this way you can easily customize the breadcrumbs, and if you need to download the code, you can just check the description and or the first comment. And if you need any support, please let us know through the comment or mail us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.